In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send money to Guinea. When you sign up using the link in the description, you'll earn $10 and your first transfer will be free. Now when you sign up on the website, you can download the mobile app and log in, or you can just continue using the website. So here in the app or the website, you want to ensure at the top of the screen, the country you're sending money to is Guinea. If you're not seeing it from the search option, you can search for it. Then you're going to select get started. Enter the amount of money that you want to send and then select continue. Select your delivery speed, it can be express or economy. Then select your delivery method. If you use card deposit, the money will be available instantly in the recipient's bank account that is linked to that debit card. You can only use Visa cards. MasterCards are not accepted. So here I'm going to select cash pickup. Select the location where you want the recipient to pick up the money. Enter the recipient's first and last name and then select continue. Enter the city and then select continue. Enter the phone number of the recipient if you want them to receive notification. This is optional, so you can skip it. On this page, you're going to provide the payment information. My card is already on file, so I'm going to select it. Now you're ready to send your money. Here it shows the promised time the money will be available to the recipient. Now all you need to do is hit send to proceed. I do not want to send any money right now, so I'm not going to hit send. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.